And now it's time for Political Pop for Wednesday, May 23rd. First Cuba and now possibly China. Here's what's happening. The U.S. State Department has warned their staff in China to look out for suspicious noises. So one employee reported weird symptoms after hearing a strange noise. The employee was sent back to the US and has been diagnosed with mild traumatic brain injury. They're trying to figure out what caused it. They don't know what it is, but since something similar happened in Cuba where people heard strange noises and then got sick, they don't want to take any chances. So the embassy has issued a warning to all employees. You hear something strange, go the other way. Do not walk towards the sound. Beware. Good lesson in life. You hear a strange noise, walk away. Unless your actual job is to investigate. I'm Danella Lock, and that was your Political Pop.